Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we are here now to answer all the activity in chapter 10. So let's start. So in the first activity in chapter 10, also known as application layer, in 10.1.1.4, or activity, application and presentation protocols and standards. So the instruction is drag the appropriate protocol names and standard to the correct OSI and TCP/IP network locations. Each protocol and standard will be used once on the OSI model and once on the TCP/IP model. So OSI model is application and presentation. So in the application, they have HTTP or hypertext transfer protocols, or set of rules for exchanging text, graphic, image, sound, video, and other multimedia files on the World Wide Web. So the next is DNS. DNS, or domain name system, translate domain names such as cisco.com into IP addresses. Then the next is, I think, TFTP, or trivial file transfer protocol, or a simple connectionless file transfer protocol. Then IMAP. Where's the IMAP? The next is IMAP. So the IMAP or Internet Message Access Protocol enables clients to access email stored on a mail server. Then the next is, I think, POP. Where's POP? Or Post Office Protocol enables client to retrieve email from a mail server. And then the last for application is DHCP, or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocols. So dynamically assign IP addresses to clients section and startups. Then number 6, presentation. They'll have JPEG, or Joint Photographic Expert Group. Then MPEG, or Motion Picture Expert Group. And the last is GIF, or Graphics Interchange Format. So proceed to TCP and IP models. In TCP IP models, so all these 9 is belong to application: GIF, POP, IMAP, TFTP, JPEG, MPEG, DNS, DCP, and HTTP. So the application have 9. Then presentation is JPEG, MPEG, and GIF, and the application is HTTP, DNS, TFTP, IMAP, POP, and DHCP. So let's check our first activity. So it's all correct. You have successfully choose the correct locations for the protocols and standards. So let's proceed to the next activity for chapter 10. The next activity is, where's the next activity? So the next activity is the ns lookup command. So DNS CLI commands in Windows and Linux. From the Windows command prompt, enter the ns lookup command to begin a manual query of the name server. So let's type ns lookup, then have a default server unknown address 10.10.10.1. The output lists the name and IP address of the DNS server configured in the client. Note that the DNS server address can be manually configured or dynamically learned through the HCP. You are now in NS lookup mode. Enter the domain name www.cisco.com. So have to enter www.cisco.com. So then www.cisco.com have server ei44.dscb.aka.maiedge.net. Then have addresses here and alliances here. So to exit this command or to leave the ns lookup mode and return to Windows command, have to type exit. So you can directly query the DNS servers by simply adding the domain name to the ns lookup commands. So have to enter ns lookup www.google.com. So non-authoritative answer www.google.com, then addresses is here. Then you are working from Linux command prompt, the ns lookup command is the same. So enter the ns lookup command to begin a manual query of the name server. Enter www.cisco at the prompt and enter exit to leave mode and return to the Linux command. So to enter ns lookup, so the server is 127.0.1.1 and the address is 127.0.1.153. So type the www, need to code www.cisco.com. Then here the unauthoritative answer cisco.com. Then the name is ei44144. Then address is 23.60.112.170. Then type exit to exit. Then as in Windows, you can directly query the DNS servers by simply adding the domain name. Domain is lookup, ns lookup, www.google.com. So have a name and address here, www.google.com. Then you successfully used the ns lookup command to verify the status of the domain names. So this activity is done. So proceed to the next activity for chapter 10. So I think it's the last activity. So thank you for watching. Thank you.